Okay, this is Mr. Elmhorst with the help video for the homework for creating box plots using quartiles. We're going to focus on 5 points, the minimum, the maximum, the median, and then we are going to determine what the lower quarter split and the upper quarter split is going to be, otherwise known as Q1 and Q3. Okay, so let's start with the minimum and the maximum value in the data set. And we're also going to call this the lower extreme number and then the upper extreme number. And let's find the median. So just working from the outside in, we're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, middle. That is going to be the split in the middle, otherwise the second quarter median of the data set. So we got 12 right here. Now we're going to go to the left side. I'm going to switch colors just to see that we are looking just at the left side of the data. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers on the left side of this split. And we are going to split it right here, where we have 2 equal on each side. So we got 3 and 7 in the first quarter of data, and then 9 and 10 in the second quarter of data. But this split right here, we're going to call that the first quarter point or the first quarter split. So that's going to be 8. So we have 3, 8, 12, our first 3 points for the left side of the data. Now we're going to go to the right side, and we're going to split that into quarters also. So we got left, right, middle. So that point right there, 18, is going to split the right side of our data. So that is our third quarter split. And then here's the top of the data at the max or upper extreme. So the third quarter of data has 15 and 16 in there. And then the last one is 20 and 22. So what we are going to do is now take these 5 points and graph them, put them on a box plot. So we're going to start with the center, the first quarter, the second quarter, and the third quarter. So this is going to be 18, 12, and 8. So we go down here, look down below, put a solid circle and box around the middle of this data. We're going to focus on the center of the data. Now the left side is our lower extreme or minimum. And then the right side is the upper extreme. So this is the minimum. We have Q1, Q2, and Q3 of the data points. The second quarter is also the split or the middle. Okay, we're going to go here to the second example. Start with the minimum and the maximum. And then work your way to the middle. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now there's 2 numbers left in the middle, so we're going to split between those. So we have an even data set, so we're going to write in what the median would be. So 9 would be splitting 8 and 10. So 9 is our median or the split in the data. Now we go to the left side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So We're going to split it 3 and 3. Then we go to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we split that. So on the left side here, between 4 and 5 is going to be 4.5. Then we have 16 and 22. We're probably going to have to add that up and divide by 2 just to figure out what the middle is. So 22 and 16 is going to be 38. 38 divided by 2 is going to be 19. Now that we have our 5 points, I'm going to go down here 2 and then 4.5, 9, 19, and 25. So we're going to put a solid circle right here at 2 and then at 4.5, 9, 19, and 25. So go to the center of the data. So we're going to put a line through the 4.5, the 9, and the 19, and put a box around that on the graph. So the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. And on the left side, from the lower quartile out to the minimum, we're just going to put a straight line. And from the upper quartile, we're going to call this the Q3, and this is the Q1. Now, this Q1 is also called the lower quarter point or the lower quartile. It's the lower middle of the data, and then over here we have the upper quartile, or it's the upper middle of the data set.